Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So there's a WASSCE question on differentiation. Okay, so we are going to go through it together. It is very easy. Okay, so let's start. So if you are given an equation like this, we have to go through them one by one. We can decide to go through them one by one, and they said we should find out dy dx at what? Minus 0. Okay. So first of all, our first term is x cubed y, and x cubed y. We can use product rule. Okay. So first of all, x cubed y minus 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. So first of all, by using product rule, we keep this and we differentiate y. If you differentiate y, you get what? Dy dx plus still product rule. We keep y and we differentiate what? X cubed, and you get what? 3x squared. Okay. So after we find d of dx of 4x. And the same for 3y. If you find the differential of y, you get what? 3 dy dx. And at the other side, 12, if you find the differential of the dy dx of a number, is what? 0. So now, we have what? X cubed dy dx plus 3x squared dot y minus 4. Okay. Plus 3 dy dx, which is equal to what? 0. So first of all, we are going to make dy dx the subject here. Okay. So we have what? X cubed plus 3 x cubed dy dx plus 3 dy dx equal to, we set this to the other side, we have what? 4 minus 3x squared y. Okay, so when we get to this side, we can factor out this one side. So we have what? Dy dx of x cubed plus 3 equals to 4 minus. So we divide both sides by x cubed plus 3. So dy dx equals to 4 minus 3 x squared y over x cubed plus 3. When you get to this side, we are not done. They say we should find what? Dy dx. So dy dx at this point minus 3 0 is what? Dy dx, which is equal to 4 minus 3. So the value of x, we substitute them. The value of x is what? Minus 3 squared. And y is what? 0. Over x cubed. X cubed is minus 3 cubed plus 3. So this one is the same as here. 0 times any number is 0. So now you have what? 4 over 27 plus 3, which is what? 4 over 30. And 4 over 30 is the same as 2 over 15. So therefore, dy dx is equal to what? 2 over 15. Okay. So guys, this question is very easy. Okay. If you see this question, don't stay. Just do it. Okay, you can do it. So keep on pushing and see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.